Here they go. And nobody's gonna throw them in jail for a felony crime of gang stalking. And they need to throw my twin sister in prison too for gang stalking and teaming up with sex trafficking Satanists. And see, they're taking that fake time on purpose. So they're not even going to turn on their headlights like they usually do. Because he knows I'm filming and recording. I got your fucking license plate. Oh, there they go. I was finally able to get them. This is the fraud, the scam, and the imposter, gang stalking crime, sex trafficking. They fraudulently and illegally work on this boat right here. If they're felony criminals, how do they get to have professional jobs and nice cars and everything? But y'all want to throw me in jail.